There's me gate. No dogs come down, so we're just gonna have a wander about. This is the gorse bush. You've got all of this. Great place to hide. Deer up, well, I see a fox up there. You've got a couple of muntjac living here. All the other deer use it as their hideaway. Got flowers. So, nature. This was all cleared a few years ago, but it's all grown back. Young buzzard flew into there, getting seen off by the crows. So, might see him. And we've got here movement. Got a sty here. There was Bob. This was an old commons. A few old trees in here, but mostly I think it was just similar to that. The other side's a pine wood. That gets cut down every 40-50 years. And this has just been left to grow. So, yeah, a lot of wildlife in here. Let's go through. And as you can see, public footpath. Please keep your dog under control. But usually, there are cows in here. They do spend most of their time over the other side because there's not as much gorse, but they are here. And a fella walked through here last year with his dogs, been to the hospital, thought he'd take the dogs for a walk, come through here, got down there, and he hadn't seen the cows, and they stampeded him a couple of times, knocked him over. My dad was in the garden up there, heard the cows, all the commotion, went down, see the fella, come out looking all bedraggled, and he said he'd worked with cows for the last 25 years and never seen anything like it. So, yeah, he was lucky. So yeah, it should have a warning, but what do I know? A lot of a pine coming over. See one there as well. Squirrels, stoats. I've seen a Pine Marten. All the different deer. Fellow, was it blacktail, roe. There was a walkway that way. A tree come down. A tree down up here as well. Don't usually get to come out without the dogs. If I take Bob out, Maggie whinges. I haven't really taken Maggie out on her own. See, in there, I've got a little chair around here. Oh, there's a squirrel. Right. You gonna zoom in? Right there. He's not moving. Only a little fella. You can hear Bob in the background. So what are you doing, squirrel? There you go. Up he goes. Anyone else in here? just up here, we take a right, someone's shit there, I want to carry that way, or we go left into our garden. There's a bit of a track through there, got all the nice ferns growing. More tracks. The deer do like it behind here. Bit cooler, but you come out, see all the grass, all the foliage flattened, and a bit of an entrance way there. Couple of old logs. So we cut through. And if you can see, that is a nice den for the kids. Try not to get stung. Yeah, seems we haven't been this way for a little while. And we're in a gate. And compost. Yeah, grass is bloody long. Fire. Got to put that up. Wind keeps taking it away. And into our pond. So yeah, if you've made it this far, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll take some more little journeys around Herewood.